Hello everyone, my name is Dominic, aka the boy who loves tofu. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going for 6k slow run in Canary Wharf and trying ice bath for the very first time. Then heading over to Battersea Power Station for London's largest Southeast Asian festival before taking uberboat all the way back to Canary Wharf, showing you famous London landmarks along the way, including the magnificent Tower Bridge. My Saturday starts at 8:30 a.m. in Canary Wharf. I am on my way to a new running club for a 6k morning run. I mean, who doesn't love an early morning run at weekends? Come on, let's get the party started. For this run, we are meeting at the Arc. A fantastic space offers ice bath and sauna, which I will try after my run. Surprisingly, it is rather a large group for a Saturday morning run, and the weather is perfect for it. Honestly, I do love an early Saturday morning run. It is a perfect way to start a productive weekend. The guided 6k run is rather slow paced, but I'm not complaining. Join a new running club is a perfect way to make new friends. You know what they say, running clubs are the new dating apps. And just like that, we are back at Arc. Arc is the UK's largest contrast therapy space, offering a transformative wellness experience rooted in alternating heat and cold exposure. I cannot wait to try my first ever ice bath, although, if I'm being honest, I am a little scared. Yes, finally I did the ice bath. In fact, I did 2 sessions, 2 minutes each session. The whole experience is a lot more than just saunas and ice bath. It is about breath work, meditation, stretching. It is just incredible. I highly recommend this space. 6k done, sauna done, ice bath done. And it's not even 11 a.m. Let's go grab some yummy poke for lunch. By the way, would you try ice bath? Please leave a comment and let me know. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I plan to upload a lot more videos about London, also my upcoming international travels. After poke, I am on my way to Battersea Power Station for London's largest Southeast Asian festival. The Battersea Power Station is a legendary icon of London, and it is great to list it. This is a brand new area which is full of shops, restaurants, offices, and of course residential buildings. And this is the second year Battersea Power Station hosting a 3 days celebration of Southeast Asian food, culture and community. I am sure they will be back again next year if you have managed to miss this year's celebration. And here's some live entertainment from Indonesia. I am heading inside the shopping mall to check out the pop-up market. There are installations all around shopping mall for 10 Southeast Asian countries, and this one is Thailand. The shopping mall is usually not this busy, so it's good to see great turnout for this festival. The moving puppet show is excellent, although I'm not sure which country this is from. Most stores sell artisan snacks, homemade sauces, and fashion stuff. There are also a few interesting installations around the shopping mall, like this baker installation. And there's a massive queue for taking photos with this tuk-tuk installation. Now it's getting super busy, so I am off to get a coffee. There's also a long queue for coffee, and Arabica coffee is excellent as usual, great service. Are they real? Are they real? Honestly, this outdoor space is perfect for a festival. And you cannot simply beat this perfect location. Overall, I would say it is a great festival. However, there are massive queues everywhere, and I didn't even manage to get any food. I suspect majority of the waiting time is about 20 to 30 minutes. Here I am waiting for the uberboat. Again, as you can see, massive queue. After about 40 minutes waiting time, we are finally on board. Traveling by boat is the best way to discover London, as the big smoke is designed to be viewed from the river. And here comes the Westminster building. The Big Ben is a bit shy today and hiding away from my camera. And here comes the London Eye. I have never been on it, and maybe never will. And apparently this is the wedding boat, and all the ladies sitting next to me got very excited. And here comes the world's most popular modern art museum, Tate Modern. The Shard building is looking gorgeous as usual. I love London Bridge and Bermondsey High Street area. I plan to do a vlog. Please look out for that. And here comes the beauty of HMS Belfast. If you are visiting London, I highly recommend you to get a ticket and get on board of this beautiful Belfast. What a stunning day to be on the river. I am truly grateful that I call this my home. And here is the magnificent Tower Bridge. I truly love London, and it will be incredibly sad if I have to leave one day. And finally, we are back in Canary Wharf. I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed this video. Please take care of yourself wherever you are and be kind to each other. I will see you next time. Bye bye.